This is letter A. A is for apple. Apple starts with letter A. This is letter B. B is for bow. Bow starts with letter B.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create animated educational video using Canva in a super easy step. Now, if you haven't launched your Canva, please do, whether your web or mobile application, and click on the video option. This takes you to the canvas where we'll do our design. Once on this page, click on the color panel to select your desired color for your background. Go to the element section and search for 3D letter A. Okay, go through the suggested alphabet and select your desired one or your preferred one. Okay, you can click on the three dots by your right to see more of that particular alphabet or letter. Okay, I will select this. Upon selecting, this brings it into the canvas. I just resize to my desired size and position. Next is to get the reflection. You will see what I mean. To do that, go to app session and search for easy reflection. So I already have the app opened, so I will access it easily from here. We select the letter we want to get its reflection and click on create reflection. Okay, this just generated the reflection for us. So we'll scroll down and select the position, whether below, above, left or right, and then increase our opacity and click on add to design. This brings the letter reflection into the canvas, so I will place it into the proper position where I want it to be. So I will head to the element section once again and search for square. I will select this and this brings it into the canvas. So I'll resize and adjust its position, then head to the color panel and change the color to white. Adjust the size. Now we'll head to the text section and add a heading. Okay, type the word apple, adjust the position and do your text formatting according to your preference, your font size, your font style, and then here we are. Change the first letter of the text, apple, to red, that is A, and then next we'll head to the element section once again and search for apple. Okay, we'll select this. Resize and adjust its position. To create another scene, simply select the first page and click on duplicate. On the duplicated page, we'll simply remove every element of the first letter A and replace them with that of the second letter B. So we'll replace the apple with ball. We're of course going to the element section and searching for ball, picking our preferred one and bringing it into our canvas. Remove the letter A and search for letter B and replace the A with B. Okay, and select our B, head to easy reflection and get a reflection for our letter B. Then adjust the reflected letter B to a good position, and this is what we have. You employ the same steps to create the rest of the letters. Now we'll create transition to make the educational video engaging and lively. Okay, to do that, I'll create the first page, that is the letter A page, and select unreflected letter A. Click on the three dots on the top and choose select multiple. This allows you to select the reflected letter A. Select group to group the two together and drag it inwards. Do the same to the square shape, apple fruit, apple text. Group together and drag them inwards. Select the plus sign in between the pages. This will take you to transition. Select match and move. Repeat the same step for letter B. Select letter B. On the three dots on the top, click on it and choose select multiple. Select the reflected letter B. Group it and drag it inwards. Do same multiple selection on the ball text, the ball image and the square shape. Group them together and drag them inwards. Okay, now click on the plus sign in between the pages and this takes you to transition. Select match and move. Okay, this is optional. You can animate the apple. Ensure that the apple is selected. Click on animate, select wiggle and reduce the intensity to minimum. Reduce the timing of the first page so that the element moves in with a little speed from sideways. You can use AI Voiceover for your educational video. For that, click on the app section and locate AI Voiceover. Open it and select your preferred voice. Paste your script and click on generate. Once complete, your voiceover will be added to your video. And this is what we'll have.
This is letter A. A is for apple. Apple starts with letter A.
You can as well use your natural voice, as this is done with my natural voice with audio effect.
This is letter A. A is for apple. Apple starts with letter A. This is letter B. B is for bow. Bow starts with letter B. This is letter C. C is for clock. Clock starts with letter C. This is letter D. D is for door. Door starts with letter D.